Okay, so how was the match? Did you enjoy them?
It was really good. At some point of time, we were a bit nervous as well. We thought India might bottle it up, but then I think towards the end, Shubman Gill played really well, and so we're so happy.
So what made you nervous? Which Bangladeshi player made you nervous?
To be honest, it was Mustafizur.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, Mustafizur, we know as the Fizz, anything could happen at the start. But I think it's the opening partnership that really helped us get through the finishing line. Not finishing line, but they just set the tone. And with India's batting lineup, which bats so deep, I think it was, a no contest in a way, without being complacent, but definitely with great confidence.
I think the time when Virat Kohli was out and all, we were a bit nervous. We're like, what is going to happen next? But then, of course, KL Rahul played really well.
Yeah.
Shubman Gill was amazing. So I think we did really well this time.
I mean, if I ask about Mustafizur Rahman, he plays IPL regularly, so Indian people know about him a lot. So what are your remarks about him?
No, of course. I mean, Mustafizur, if you see even out of a lot of Bangladeshi players, you always see Mustafizur Rahman going for, going to some team in IPL. So we know, everyone knows, how good he can be. Definitely, if he had some good, partners to support him in the bowling lineup, I'm sure, it would have been a little tougher for India. But all in all, I think it's a good contest, and I'm sure they'll play well in the coming games if you're talking from Bangladesh point of view. And I think it was good. We had a good time.
Did you guys see the batting of Tawhid Hridoy, who scored a century today?
Yes, it was really good. To be honest, we didn't expect him to be so good. But then at one point of time, we were like, okay, he's doing really well. We always want, a good, healthy competition, and that's what we saw today.
And I think that's what, with Hridoy, right? India, I think Bangladesh were 5 down early on.
Yeah.
So we thought, this is it, and then Hridoy and Shakir Ali, I think they came out of nowhere and, surprised everyone. And it was a good part. Yeah, of course, at the end. And I think
really
they came up to a respectable score. And obviously, it was a good contest because of that. Otherwise, probably, it would be done in no time.
You were saying it was very...
It was really bad to see him because we know as a sportsman, you need to be like really on top of things. But then it was bad to see him struggling. Like, we don't like it, but whatever it is, healthy competition is all we look for. But that was really bad when he went on the ground and all of that. It was really bad to see him like this.
One last question I would like to ask you. People, so many people tend to think that Bangladesh and Indian people, have rivalry between them.
No, it's on the ground maybe, but then we work with a lot of Bangladeshi people and all of that. We've seen how good they are. So it's just, just rumors, to be honest.
I think it's all like, just maybe one of incidents probably in the past where, but I don't think so.
Which incident?
Again, very faintly I remember a few things. Maybe, I think Bangladesh lost in a very good position in Bangalore. I think T20 World Cup. You remember when Mushfiqur, started celebrating very early on, so something like that, But I think, it's all in the ground. But I don't think so. There's any rivalry even with any teams, and it's not serious. It's all in the game. That's it.